Hi folks, I'm Susie Meadows and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in Central Indiana. And I want to talk about this Gift of Hope class that I'm offering. It is for these 3 cards here. You will get, and then you can make 6 cards, 2 of each of these designs with the pack project kit that I sent. Now there's 2 ways you can get this. One is by purchasing $35 from my store using this host code. And when I see that order, I will get this kit already and ship it out to you. Or the second option, if you already have the stamp set and you just want this project kit, then for $15, I'm offering the PDF pictures of the projects and the video link of how to put these cards together. Now, this class kit, and I'll spit it out here, is featuring the Gift of Hope stamp set from Stampin' Up! And it is in the January to June catalog, but you can find this online. And here's where you can find it, craftingwithsusie.stampinup.net. And but this stamp set is what I'm featuring. And let me show you what is in this packet. We'll just move this off to the side. We'll just look at this one here. Let me push these over just a little bit here. So I'll show you the class packet. You will get in the mail a packet that's all wrapped up. It'll be in between cardboard, so that way it doesn't bang up the corners or anything. So we'll just pull this first packet out. You will get 2 envelopes. You will get 2 card bases, and this is the thick card stock, and they're already scored for you. You will get all the consumables to make this card. So here are your panels. Here, your art panels. So I've already got your die cut labels cut out for you, ready to go. And then, of course, your bling. You got to have some bling. And then this card is featuring the sheer ribbon in gorgeous grape. And there is more than enough to make 2 cards with this, because I'll show you how I actually am frugal with my ribbon. And you only need that much for the card front and then maybe that much to tie. And so you have extra. You'll see. Oh, look at that. You got extra there. So there you go. So that is what a card project kit looks like for this card here. This is your project kit. And for this card here, I'm bringing it over. This is your kit here. I've already die cut the crosses. So let me see. Oh, and in the video, I will also, let me move some of this out of the way here. I will show you how to use, if you want to, you can make these cards a little more elaborate. Like here's an example of the card, one card that I've made elaborate. It's the same design, but I've used different colors. I've used some different ink colors. I have colored in the flowers, and I have also colored the rhinestones. So here's an example of a card that I'll show. Here's another one that I've made more elaborate. Or you may even want to pull in another stamp set, like the new Butterfly Brilliance stamp set and dies. And these are the sentiments from Gift of Hope. So, if you've got any questions, you can get a hold of me here at craftingwithsusie.stampinup.net, or you can also put a comment under Facebook. So, I hope you consider doing these Easter cards. Now, I'm going to close this the 22nd, but the thing is, you place an order, a $35 order, I will go ahead and send this to you. So you don't have to wait until the 22nd of March to get this. That's just when I figure at the latest, if somebody wants to do Easter cards, they've got to have their orders in and so they have time to make up these kits, make up these cards so you can send them to your friends and family. So look forward to hearing from you. So hope things are going well your way. Take care.